Ever wonder if your data is just random noise or if there is a real pattern? Let's demystify the chi-square test. The chi-square test is a statistical tool used to see if the differences between what you observe and what you expect are meaningful. It helps us decide whether a result happened by pure chance or if there is a genuine relationship between variables. You start by assuming there is no relationship, then you compare your real-world data against a model of pure randomness. While a t-test looks at averages for numerical data, chi-square is specifically for categorical data, like counting counts or frequencies. The larger the gap between your observed bars and the expected values, the higher the chi-square score, signaling a likely real-world effect. Remember, a significant result tells you something is happening, but it does not automatically tell you why. Statistics can be complex, but they are essential for making data-driven decisions. Subscribe for more deep dives into technical topics.